We gotta set up now. So we gotta get at least one match. One match on it.
She gives you good money. She drove you to New York.
She paid for the. What? It is first to three. There we go. First to three. Yeah, we'll do first three. That's why we do one off stream. We gotta play off stream.
Okay, let's fight. Get ready.
Play off stream. Yeah. Alright, here we go. We got Sarah, Leifang versus Hitman. Tina. Let's go. Combos. Ain't messing around. There we go. See both of them lovely faces. Ooh, good throw by Hitman. Alright. Combos. Dropped it. Alright. No, Link, he has to do his match. Alright. Ooh. To the throw. Hitman's getting these throws in. Sarah got the stun. What's she gotta do with that? Keep stunning him. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Leifang. Yeah. Yeah, she's tough. She's tough to learn. But she's good once you master her. Oh. Ground throws. Gotta watch the. Oh! Get off me. Alright. Toss him behind me. Get a free throw. Oh, get that. Alright. It's up to Sarah if she wants to stay or change. It is first to three. Hitman takes the first game.
Yeah! Showtime! Ready to lose? Get ready!
Can you breathe? One on another, two. Let's go. Oh, nice. Come on, Sarah, you can do this. Oh, gotta watch those throws. Alright, pushing him away. Oh God, that's gonna be a guaranteed throw. You're that confident in hitting in? Alright. Alright, good parry. Oh, I didn't do nothing with it though. Alright, get the ground throw. Guaranteed. Oh man, another guaranteed ground throw. Gotta watch those flippies. Those flips. Alright. Get the stun. Get a little bit of a combo there. There we go. Finishing strength. Oh, she's getting those scumbag lows up in here. Oh, that's gonna hurt. I know. She has a lot of guarantees. Alright, hitting ends up 2-0. Sarah's gotta adapt. That is true. I did teach him to play like that. Just do it.
This is what I've been like told.
Ready to lose?
You too.
Alright, here we go. Getting some hits in. Whoa, good thrown. Dang, don't get up. No! He's throwing a mid to wake up kick. Oh. I dropped it that time. Alright, she's going. She's going. She's going. I should have kept going with it. Alright, there we go. Oh! Oh! Taunt! Taunt! No! You should have taunt. Sarah got one. We in here. Let's go. Oh, get thrown. Oh. Oh, what a good throw. That was a good one. He caught it right in the middle of it. Finish it. Yep. Come on, Sarah. Oh, gotta watch these lows. Ah, man. This could be game point for Sarah. Oh, pop up. No combo. Alright. Alright. Nah, son, you don't get to throw her. Sarah won't let you throw her. Top 5 safest, man. Well, that's your fault. You should have studied. Alright, Hitman, you stay there. Gil, you up? Yeah. You think you... No. Is it... We can make it.